Hello and welcome to Play Songs Playtime. 5 minutes of interactive songs and rhymes for you and your baby or toddler. This kind of play with babies and toddlers is as old as the hills. It enriches their language, helps build physical coordination and confidence, and it creates a precious moment of one-to-one engagement with you. But above all, these interactive songs and rhymes are fun. There is no better sound in the world than your own baby's chuckle. And for them, it's the sound of your voice. So, let's get straight in. It's Play Songs Playtime. Here's a little close-up face toucher. It's a yours mine rhyme, and we'll show you how. So, cradle baby in one arm so you're face to face, and so your other hand is free. With your free hand, touch or stroke one of baby's eyebrows. That goes with eye winker. Then the other one, Tom Tinker. Touch baby's nose, nose smeller. Same again for baby's mouth, mouth eater. And then either tap baby's chin or chuck it underneath on chin chopper chin. Here's the whole thing. It goes eye winker, Tom Tinker, nose smeller, mouth eater, chin chopper chin. That's it. That's all there is to it. But it's a yours mine one because you can take baby's hand and touch your features with it. And if baby's too little for that, touch your own features. A toddler will do it for themselves. Here it is again. This time, here's Kevin to say it for us. And he says the rhyme twice. After each time, there's a gap with the background sounds continuing for you to take over. Okay, here it is.
Eye winker, Tom Tinker, nose smeller, mouth eater, chin chopper chin.
Here you go, your turn. Eye winker, Tom. Back to Kevin, here we go.
Eye winker, Tom Tinker, nose smeller, mouth eater, chin chopper chin.
And last time, over to you again. Eye winker, Tom Tinker. Hooray! Did you get a smile from baby? I hope so. Here's a song with the same idea. I don't need to explain all the actions to you because they're obvious, but watch out because they're in a tricky order. Here's Janet to sing it for us.
Eye, nose, cheeky chin. Eye, nose, cheeky chin. Eye, nose, cheeky chin. Cheeky chin, nose, eye.
Haha, I love that song.
Eye, nose.
Both eye winker and cheeky chin are great to play when you're face to face with each other. After a feed maybe, or at dressing times, or when you're getting your toddler's face washed, or when they're snuggled up in a towel after a bath.
Nose, eye. Eye, nose, cheeky chin. Eye, nose, cheeky chin. Eye, nose, cheeky chin. Cheeky chin, nose, eye.
That's it for now. Thank you to Kevin Grell for rhyming eye winker, and to Janet Russell for singing cheeky chin. I'm Sheena Roberts, and you can find all the play songs, rhymes and songs at playsongs.co.uk. Thank you for joining in with us. Please subscribe so you can find us again, and please share our podcast. Thank you. Bye for now.